So we heard from Sean and team about how important it is to maintain good customer relationship, and it's also good to maintain good vendor relationships. So I'm here with Joe LaRosa of JL Precision. Joe, how you doing?
Good to meet you.
John sent me over here. He said that you do a lot of his machining that he needs for his parts. So tell us a little bit about JL Precision and what it is you guys do.
We're a precision machining company here in Sarasota, Florida, and our specialty is complicated geometry, and we work with solid programming. Most of our work is CNC machining centers.
Okay.
And we do work for the mold industry, packaging industry, aerospace, defense.
So one of the things about precision machining is, I think over the years there's been a pretty significant transition from, getting largely 2D drawings to now you're receiving a lot of models in 3D. Is that making a difference for your business?
It's making a huge difference.
Yeah.
It keeps me from having to construct the geometry. The solid programming is basically you load it into the system and you pick the proper tools and you highlight the surfaces that you want to machine and you hit go.
Yeah, so I understand you use SmartCam, right?
I do.
Yeah, and so that then has the ability to read in the 3D solid information and generates the code that runs your machines.
Right. Sean will send me over a file. I'll open it right up on there. I'm actually able to view the parts, get dimensions. I can price it, even price it more accurately because I have the solid right in front of me. From there, I can generate the tool path with very little modification of the drawing itself.
All right, so how quickly are you able to react to change? Sean picks up the phone and says, dude, I screwed up. I need another bolt hole or it's a different size. I mean, are you able to react to change pretty quickly from that?
As fast as he can get the file over with the change, pretty much, he's pretty easy, ready to go.
Awesome. Would you mind showing me what that looked like?
Oh, not at all.
Joe showed me the process he uses to bring in the 3D data into SmartCam and generates his code. What I was most impressed with was how he was explaining that receiving 3D files makes him more competitive, and as a small precision machine shop, he doesn't have time to remodel something that's already been done once. The more I heard about his process, the more I had to show him Inventor Fusion.
They would probably fire me at Autodesk if I didn't show you something I think could benefit you from it. And it's one of our at no charge technology previews up on Autodesk Labs. You don't mind if I show you real quick, Dave?
No, no.
So if you take a look at our Labs website, we have this technology called Inventor Fusion. And it's kind of it's a new modeling paradigm that we call direct modeling. So that, for example, if you need to change the radius on a fillet, you can just actually pick on it and just start dragging it back and forth to get the actual radius that you need. And it's just that quick and easy. You don't have to necessarily worry about the parametric history of it. And nice little videos obviously up on YouTube, and you can visit my YouTube channel at youtube.com/Rob Covey. But here's a nice little example of what it is it can do. So here, here's a step file that got brought in, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to use Fusion to identify some of the actual features in this part, right? So we'll do what's called feature recognition. So even though we have no history behind the part, it'll now recognize those holes as holes. So if you need to change the diameter of a hole, you need to change the radius of a fillet, the angle of a chamfer, you can just do that, and it doesn't really matter where the file came from. If it came from SolidWorks, Pro Engineer, CATIA, Inventor, which is great for machine shops, right? So you can just do feature recognition, you can be on your way. So it's at no charge, so check it out, download it, and I'd love to get your feedback on what you think it might be able to do for you.
Sounds helpful.
All right, Joe. Hey, it's been a pleasure meeting you.
Oh, thank
Good
you.
luck, and let me know what you think about Fusion, all right?
I will do. Thanks.
All right, last but not least, I wanted to sit down with one of the most opinionated men in CAD and get his take on where his business is going and what we can do as his technology partner to help that out.